Hi, babies. Today we are going to read The Ant and the Grasshopper. Once upon a time, there lived an ant and a grasshopper along the river meadow. During one summer season, the grasshopper was sitting lazily on a branch of a tree and was singing to his heart's content. While the grasshopper was enjoying the day, an ant carried food and took it to her home with great toil. The grasshopper saw the ant. He said, "Oh, you poor ant, why do you work all day long? Why don't you sit for a while and sing a song with me? Look at me, how I enjoy it. Why don't you stop working hard and enjoy like me?" The ant smiled and said, "Hey, grasshopper, I'm enjoying my work. I am gathering food for the winter season. It will help me when the snow falls and there will be no food outside. I suggest you also store some food for yourself for winters." Saying so, the ant walked away. The next day, it was again sunny, and the grasshopper decided to visit the riverside. He bounced from leaf to leaf over the crisp, cool water, not a care in the world. Once again, he saw the ants scurrying back and forth from the field, collecting food, while the grasshopper enjoyed. Every time the grasshopper saw the ant working hard, he made fun of her. He mocked and called her a fool to work like that. The months went by and the days got shorter and colder. Soon the winter breeze started. The ant and the grasshopper could not move out of their houses because of the snow and freezing climate. The trees were filled with snow. The lakes froze. There was nothing in the sight that could help him provide some food. The grasshopper started suffering from hunger. He could not move out, nor did he had any stocked up food at home. The grasshopper could not bear the hunger anymore. He decided to visit the ant's house for help. The grasshopper knocked on the ant's door. The ant opened the door and wished him well and welcomed him. "I'm feeling very hungry. Please share some food from your stock," said the grasshopper. The ant understood the situation of the grasshopper. She then shared some food with him. The grasshopper was thankful to the ant. He realized his mistake of not working hard and planning for the future. From the next summer onwards, the grasshopper too joined the ant. The moral is it is important to work hard and plan for the future. The end. Hit the like button and subscribe button for more such videos.